To remove and replace this dash vent, this procedure will apply to all 4 of them. I'm going to start by popping out the little doors here. And maybe there are other ways to do this, but this is how I'm going to do it. I'll pop these out of here. That gives us a lot more space to work with. And then what I want to do is come in here and lift up these tabs. There are some tabs in here. There's 3 of them. And you can either just break them off or lift them and hold them like this. And obviously if you're replacing this vent with a new one, you don't have to worry about these being broken. So I'm just going to bend them up and out of the way. There's another one that looks the same as this one on this side. I'm going to do the same to that one. There's one right at the top. Okay, once you do that, this vent should come right out. There it is. These are the tabs that I was talking about. I bent them inward, and if you don't, then they sit like this, and they prevent you from pulling the vent out. Now you would take your new one and slide it in, but make sure that you line it up with these little tabs that are on the back side of the dash. So there's one here, one here, one here, exactly where the 3 clips were beforehand. Slide it, make sure it clicks in. You shouldn't be able to spin it much or move it much at all. And there you have it.